Jai Sriman 114th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vrushakrutaye Namaha. O Sriman Narayana, every form that you take in every of your incarnation is an embodiment of righteousness. O Sriman Narayana, not only your actions in every of your incarnations, but also every form that you have taken is the form of righteousness, is an embodiment of righteousness, but also it gives us a wonderful feeling. It gives us a feeling like we are drinking nectar, a feeling like nectar is being showered on us the moment we recall any form that you have taken. That gives us so much good feeling and divine feeling, and it gives us a feeling like nectar, amrutam, is being showered on us. O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Vrushakrutaye Namaha. Om Vrushakrutaye Namaha. Recall, remember all the divine forms that Sriman Narayana has taken, like Rama, Krishna, Narasimha, Vamana, the divine fish, the divine boar, the divine tortoise, any form. You can just imagine. Let us just imagine one of those forms of Sriman Narayana and visualize that form is there within our own heart. With that kind of thought process, let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.